Hello everyone, it's another beautiful day to come out. It's nice and warm. It's saying 13 degrees, so it's not as cold as it normally would be. It's getting warmer, which is cool. Today I am going to be comparing the Bebop 2 and the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and comparing their ability to follow me as I run. So with Parrot was the first company that titled it follow me, like follow me mode, and DJI couldn't use that, but a lot of people in the DJI group say follow me. So I'm like, reminds me of Parrot. But DJI uses active track, so active track for DJI and follow me for Parrot. Do not mix the two, because if you say follow me and you're talking about a DJI drone, I'll say that's Parrot. All right, so the first one I'm going to do is the Mavic 2 Pro. Really what I want to see is how well you can follow me and if it can ascend and descend as I go down and up, because I think that's very important. So we'll be looking at those things. I'll record the screen so you can actually see how the drone is tracking and the display shows. You can see for yourself and I'll give my honest opinion afterwards. Alright, so I just finished trying to outrun the Mavic 2 Pro. Not possible. It followed me pretty well, and it looked like it was descending when I went down the hill, so we'll check in the footage. But all in all, it followed me pretty well, and I didn't really think about running until I started running, and then I wanted to stop running because I haven't ran in a really long time. All the things I gotta do for these experiments. Alright, so I'm gonna grab a quick one and then put up the Bebop 2. So one of the beautiful things about the Bebop 2 is I can actually just use the phone without a controller. Of course, the range is going to be limited to how powerful the phone Wi-Fi radio is. But for things like following you or following me close by and not flying it away, the phone really is a convenient option to use. So for this example, I'll follow me. I will be just using the phone. Alright, so the verdict is out. The Bebop was terrible, and I've used the Bebop for so long. I think maybe I just took a really long break from using the Bebop that I'm really not happy with it. With the Follow Me, it used to work a lot better before. There hasn't been a firmware update in a really long time, so I can't blame it on that. Maybe it's just the conditions of the light and what I'm wearing contrasting to the ground, but it just lost me as soon as I took off. And the Mavic 2 Pro just stayed on me the entire way, followed me and came back. And the problem with the Pre-Flight Pro and Follow Me with the Parrot was that it kept giving me the error of GPS on my phone, and my phone has GPS, so maybe there's a problem with that. And I tried multiple times to try and re-establish Follow Me, but it wouldn't let me get Follow Me because it needed to check the device GPS, which is really discouraging, because when you want to follow me, you just want it to go up and follow you. You don't want to have to fiddle with things and then it may want to follow you. So there you have it. I'm going with, on this one, obviously the Mavic 2. But then they shouldn't really be compared, because the Bebop 2 is a really old drone, and for its time when it was produced, it was, you know, top of the market with all the flight plan and Follow Me. So I think this comparison is unfair, but if you ever wanted to know, and if you have a Bebop 2 and you're thinking about DJI, now I'm not saying one is better than the other, they're both different breeds. The Bebop is a lot more fun, and because of the price that you're getting the Bebop 2 now, it doesn't really hurt you that much if you damage it. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments. If you think I missed something, just let me know and I'll probably answer it in the comments. But until next time, fly safe and God bless. Go. Did he go? Did he go? Not going. Okay, stop.